Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here with my friend Jeff. Say hi.
Hey.
We're picking up his Jeep. What Jeep is it? What year
2013 JKU.
JKU. What are you doing to the Jeep today?
I got some amp steps, retractable steps put on it. So
Nice.
we hope they got installed correctly here.
It's one of many upgrades.
It is
done to the car.
It is. We got some new ones, some new wheels waiting, and another lift kit coming.
That's super cool. We're gonna do a walk around the car. It's a very special Jeep, and I think it's gonna be fun. Let's check it out. All right, guys, check it out. Is that what you did today?
Right here.
Yeah. So they're retractable,
Yep.
Electronic, right?
That's right. Open the door. We'll drop down.
Oh
close
man,
it.
that's gonna be
Back
very
up.
cool to watch.
Let's
I'm gonna do a walk around. What else have you done to the car?
bumper, gen right bumper, worn winch, custom hood.
Nice. Oh, the hood. Let's check it out. Sweet. I presume no weight savings anywhere.
No, we're looking to add weight.
Right. Very cool. Man, and then you're changing the wheels, right?
Yep, we got some new rims and some new tires coming.
We're gonna do that in a different vlog, but man, what year is it?
2013.
2013. It looks pristine. He's a Penn State fan, same as me. Go Nittany Lions. Sweet. Oh, you did some change here too, right?
Well, yeah, these were put on a while ago, custom tail lights.
Nice.
Yep.
Anything on the interior?
Nope. Stock interior.
All right. Very cool. I gotta get me one of these to go along with my sports cars. These are super fun cars. All right, so we're at four-wheel parts. There's plenty of Jeeps here. Man, all kinds of off-roaders. Very cool. Very cool. All right, let's check. Oh, nice. Look at that. Be careful, it's a family show. Nice. They go up. Oh, sweet. Jeff. Fantastic, man. Very cool. Yeah, soon we're gonna do more videos of some other upgrades, including the wheels. Wait for that, because he bought some amazing wheels.